Hey, Rigor here from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin. Today I'm taking a little break from rotted wood and fiberglass. I'm going to put a new a latch in the forward hatch in the nose of the boat. Little short one here. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Now the first thing I've been doing, actually I've been cleaning caulk off of here. Turns out some interesting person who owned this boat in the past caulked the hatch shut because it leaked. Well, that turns out that's because this was bent. It's down in the corner over here. It was broken off. And instead of fixing it, they decided to caulk the hatch shut. So that's pretty clever. I got to fix that too. First thing I did here was measure this lip right here, and I find this to be 1 3/8 from right here. So what I need to do is come back from here an 1 3/8, and that means this will go underneath at 1 3/8. It will go under right there, so it's basically where this bolt is where the hatch goes. This bolt on the hatch here, or the latch. This is the hatch. Where this bolt is the center of the hole. For this little arm. Okay, I mean it basically goes in like this, and the way I see it working is picking it up and turning it like that, and then putting it back and latching it down. That's how I see it working. So what I've got to do here is this is got a 2-inch radius, so I have a 2-inch hole saw here to cut the hole in the hatch. Well, my next task is to get this little bolt out of here and cut a hole. So I need to get a tool. Oh well, so much for all this. Basically for this latch, I'm coming 3 inches back, which is right where, if you look here, 3 inches from the lip is right where this bolt is at. So let me get some tools and get the bolt out. long screwdriver. Okay. This goes in there. Oh well, so much for manual dexterity. Well, it's break time here. All I'm doing on that deck latch is putting on the world's smallest washers and nylock screws. And while I'm taking a break here, I thought I'd tell you, I had a friend. He thought his dryer was causing his jeans to shrink. Finally traced it down. It was his refrigerator. That was the problem. Think about it. Okay, let's see if it works. Worky. All I need now is to adjust the depth. About an inch. So the laminate's eighth, about an inch and an eighth, I'd say. So what I'm doing is adjusting the depth of the latch underneath here. Nope, still too loose. A little tighter yet. Yep, I think that just about does it. Let me tighten the bolt. And there's how you put in a deck hatch, or a hatch latch. Next I've got to do is I've got to crawl underneath, put a little 4200 on this, and crawl underneath and put this in and hook up the hose so it drains overboard. And that'll, other than all the dirt in this hatch, I've actually got something done on this boat towards taking it out on the water. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.